Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be unboxing a keyboard from Armaggedon. It is the Strike Eagle MKI-3. It's apparently a mechanical red keyboard, but it's not made by MX, it's made by some Chinese brand by their own. I'm gonna be replacing my G510, which has a broken screen and the macro keys are not working. So here's the unboxing, and I'm doing this one-handed. Here we have the keyboard, and then in this bag we have some additional keys, which is spelled additional key, and I'm not sure what's in this bag. It says additional key. Oh, it's just some normal keys, some arrow keys. We got W, A, S, D, up down left for arrow keys. Actually no down, so they up. Wait, down. And here we have the keyboard in this lousy material. See, as you can hear, it's silent because MX is red, not MX. It's a Chinese MX, Chinese mechanical keys, but they claim that it's the same as red mechanical switches. So the cable they give you is quite decent. Has a gold-plated USB, and that's about it. Yes, some like manuals. Yeah, some crap manuals, and a software installation disk. Looks like Starter Kit CD. Not gonna need it either. So here's the keyboard. Pretty nice. We got a logo, Strike Eagle. This is like a tournament size, the Razer tournament size keyboard. Doesn't have a numpad. Has 5 macro keys. The media keys, volume up, volume down, mute, play, pause, skip. And yellow color WASD and arrow keys. And that's about it. Nothing on the back. Just some stands. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.